All right, so Joe, you took our author workshop, and could you let everybody know how you liked it and what you liked about it?
I think it was fascinating, primarily because I've long had the idea in the back of my head that someday I wanted to do just that, which is write a book. However, just in the first opening minutes of the meeting, my purpose for writing a book completely went to a different place. Most of my time, I always thought I have got a ridiculous amount of stories that I have been exposed to throughout my life, and I wanted to figure out a way to do that. Maybe someday I will, but the idea now is to use the concept of writing a book or getting a book published to help grow my business and help grow my credibility in doing so. And so listening to the way that it was presented was absolutely inspiring and motivating for me to do that. A little overwhelming at times, realizing how much I didn't know, but how much I have learned in just the first time meeting you guys was priceless. So I very much appreciate it.
All right, well, thank you so much. It was great having you on the workshop.